Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapters, that is alloalkanes or alloarenes. Alloalkanes and alloarenes. The general formula of alloalkane is halogen atom attached to alkyl group. Second one, the general formula of alloarene is halogen atom is attached to aromatic ring. That means alloalkanes, halogen atom attached to alkyl group, alloarenes, halogen atom attached to aromatic ring. The definition of alloalkanes and alloarenes will goes like this. Alloalkane, the definition is if one of hydrogen from aliphatic hydrocarbon, if one of hydrogen from aliphatic hydrocarbon replaced with halogen atoms, if one of hydrogen from aliphatic hydrocarbon replaced with halogen atoms will give alloalkanes. Okay. Second definition is for the alloarene is if we replace one of hydrogen of aromatic hydrocarbon. If we replace one of hydrogen of aromatic hydrocarbon with halogen atoms, will give alloarenes. Okay, very simple. Alloalkanes are aliphatic haloalkanes. Alloarenes are aromatic alloalkanes. Okay, this is the general definition of alloalkanes and alloarenes. Just replacing of one of hydrogen from aliphatic hydrocarbons will give alloalkanes. If we replace one of hydrogen from aromatic hydrocarbons, will give alloarenes. Okay. Next point is the classification of alloalkanes and alloarenes. The general classification of the alloalkanes and alloarenes. Okay. There are three types of classifications are there for the alloalkanes and alloarenes. Okay, there are three types of classifications are there for the alloalkanes and alloarene. First classification is based on number of halogen atoms. That means how many halogens are present on the halogen compounds. Okay, so based on the number of halogen atoms, the halogen compounds are classified in various categories. In this one, first classification is monohalogenated compounds. We know mono means how many? One. Mono means in this compounds one halogen atom is present. Monohalogenated compounds mean in this halogen compound one halogen atom is present or one halogen is attached to either aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon. Next one, dihalogenated compounds. In this one or in this compounds, two halogen atoms are present. These two halogen atoms may be present to or may be attached to one carbon or different carbon. This is dichloromethane. This is 1,2 dichloroethane. In this one, two chlorines are attached to two different compounds, two different carbons. Okay, in this one, orthochlorobenzene. Okay, and this is the metachlorobenzene. They are the disubstituted alloarenes in which two halogen atoms are present. So next one, trihalogenated compounds. Next one is trihalogenated compound. Okay, in this name itself indicating in this compound three halogen atoms are present or three halogen atoms atoms are attached to carbon. 3 halogen atoms are attached to carbon. Here also same thing. 3 halogen atoms may be attached to one carbon or maybe in different carbons. Okay, it is a chloroform. It is a iodoform. It is a chloroform and iodoform. Next one is tetrahalogenated compounds. Next one is tetrahalogenated compound. In this one, 4 halogen atoms are present. 4 halogen atoms present to the carbon. Next one, polyhalogenated compounds. Polyhalogenated compound, that means poly means many, more than 4, more than, if we count more than 4, that is considered as a polyhalogenated compounds. Okay, in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chlorines are present on the benzene ring. That's why benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride is commonly called, okay, Gramingen. Okay, commonly we will use this one. Okay, next example for the polyhalogenated compound is, okay, DDT. DDT, dichloro-diphenyl. Dichloro-diphenyl. 1D for dichloro-diphenyl. 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 Trichloroethane. Okay, dichloroethane. Okay, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane is the DDT. This is the first classification based on number of halogen atoms attached to the carbon. Based on the number of halogen atoms attached to the carbon. Second classification is, okay, halogen attached carbon hybridizations. Okay, based on the hybridization of halogen attached carbon. Based on the hybridization of halogen attached carbon. Okay, in this one, sp3CX bond. sp3CX bond, that means halogen attached carbon. This is the halogen attached carbon. The hybridization is sp3. That's why sp3 hybridized carbon CX bond containing compound. Okay, sp3CX bond containing compound. That means halogen attached carbon hybridization is sp3. First classification is the compound containing sp3CX bond. The compound containing sp3CX bond. Okay, in this one, alkyl halide. Okay, here chlorine or halogen is attached to alkyl group. Okay, chlorine or, okay, halogen is attached to alkyl group. We know that one. What is the condition? So halogen attached carbon must be undergo sp3 hybridations. That's why halogen attached carbon in alkyl group is sp3 hybridations. Okay, it is further classified into again 3 categories. That is the, okay, 1 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide, 3 degree alkyl halide. Okay, these alkyl halides again further classified into 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alkyl halide based on the halogen attached carbon. That means halogen, if it is directly attached to one carbon, that is called, okay, 1 degree halogen atom, 1 degree. Okay, and if halogen atom attached carbon attached to two carbons, or halogen atoms directly attached to 2 carbon is called 2 degree. Okay, if halogen attached carbon attached to 3 carbons is called 3 degree. Okay, haloalkanes. Okay, 3 degree haloalkanes. This one. Next one, alkyl halides. Next one is, hallyl halides. Next one is hallyl halides. Okay, in this one, halogen attached carbon. This is the halogen attached carbon. This is halogen. It is attached to this carbon. This hybridization of this carbon is sp3. That is our condition. That is what is this one? So halogen attached carbon must be undergo sp3 hybridization. Okay, in which adjacent carbon is double bond carbon. Adjacent carbon is okay double bond carbon. Okay, this is CH. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Okay, adjacent carbon is okay double bond carbons. Okay, in allyl halide, halogen attached carbon. Halogen attached carbon. If it is attached to double bond or halogen attached carbon adjacent is double bond is called allyl halide. Is called allyl halide. Next one, benzyl halide. Benzyl halide. Okay. In this one, chlorine. Okay, halogen attached carbon. In this one, halogen attached carbon. Adjacent. If adjacent is aromatic ring, that is called benzyl halide. Benzyl halides. Okay. Next one, propargyl halide. Next one, propargyl halide. Here again, halogen attached carbon. Halogen attached carbon. If it is attached to triple bond, if it is attached or adjacent to the triple bond, is called propargyl halide. It's called propargyl halide. Halogen attached carbon adjacent, if adjacent is triple bond, is called propargyl halide. All these are further classified into 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alkyl halides. 1 degree, 3 degree, 2 degree alkyl halides. Okay, as I said that one. Okay, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alkyl halides means okay. So halogen atoms attached to 1 degree. Okay, one carbon is called 1 degree. Is called 1 degree. For example, CH3Cl. CH3Cl. Okay, it is a 1 degree alkyl halides. 1 degree alkyl halides. Okay, so if it is halogen atom attached, this is CH, this CH3, CH and CH3. Okay, this is Cl. Okay, that means halogen attached carbon. This is the halogen attached carbon. If it is attached to two carbons, that is called 2 degree alkyl halide. This is 2 degree alkyl halides. Okay, and if it is attached to 3 carbons, if it is attached to 3 carbons like, if it is attached to 3 carbons like, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is okay, this is Cl. Okay, this is CH3. Okay, this is CH3 and this is CH3. This is CH3. Again, halogen attached carbon. This is the halogen attached carbon. If it is attached to 1, 2, 3, is called 3 degree alkyl halide. 3 degree alkyl halide. All these are further classified into okay 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alkyl halides. Okay, like we have to know what is the 1 degree alkyl halides, what is the 2 degree alkyl halide, what is the 3 degree alkyl halide, which are going to be learned very important chemical reactions. Important chemical reactions. Okay, second classification is based on the hybridization of a carbon, okay, in which halogen bond is present. The compound containing sp3-CX bond. sp3-CX bond. They are alkyl halides, allyl halides, benzyl halides, propargyl halide, alkyl halides. Chlorine or halogen atom directly attached to alkyl group. It is further classified into 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alkyl halides. Allyl halides, in which halogen attached carbon is adjacent to the double bond carbon. Adjacent to the double bond carbon is allyl halides. Benzyl halides, in which halogen attached carbon is adjacent to the aromatic ring. Is adjacent to the aromatic ring is benzyl halides. In propargyl halides, halogen attached carbon is adjacent to the triple bond. Triple bond is propargyl halide. This is the second classification of the okay halogen atoms, halogen compounds.